Hey everybody, so here we're about to wrap up with the Lenovo. OS is installed and updates are done, drivers are done. And the story on the SanDisk, which I noticed, it says refurb on it. So I would not buy a refurbished SSD unless this was bought maybe a very long time ago when they were, very expensive. But I mean, the prices of these are so cheap that I would not buy a refurbished SSD. This thing is 480 gigs, so I don't know how that got installed in there. But basically, I put that on the Rapid Spar. Put that on the Rapid Spar, and no, it could not. It would not recognize it. Would not respond. Could not be read. I took it out of the case to see if I see any visual damage. I did not see any visual damage, but I did put it under the thermal, and there is one chip. I don't really recognize all the chips. I think it's not the chip of storage. It's another chip on there. Maybe it's a controller chip, something like that. That gets hot when you put it under the thermal cam. You see that chip right in the center gets white. White is the hottest color, so it should not be getting like that. So probably could be recovered. That chip probably could be replaced and programmed and things like that. Not something that I could do here, but something that I could refer out or recommend that they try somebody out there. And so no data, got the computer up and running with a fresh operating system. Once again, back your stuff up, don't wait, solid state drive, a chip fails, and that's pretty much it. That's what's going on right here, right now at PC 911.